passion and it's for everyone. So whether you dance professionally or from the comfort of your own kitchen, everyone can dance.
Dance is telling any story. Dance is emotion. Dance is energy.
Fast wine, slow wine, rubber double so. Say she like grand prof, so me rough her up. Just a little bit. Grab her over her so. Twist her around, turn her so. Fast wine, slow wine, rubber double so. Say she like grand prof, so me rough her up. Catherine love you rough sentence when me overrule her objections.
Dance to me is about expressing oneself through movement and creativity.
She tell me dios, baby, take that dios, honey, take back dios, baby. So let me ease up the tension, dios, baby, push back dios, honey. This time is all yours, baby. So let me ease up the tension.
Dance is our language. It's the way we express ourselves on stage, off stage. Dance is life.
Everybody have to try. Got a in your man, too ready die. And in the air, put them up in the sky. Dipping at me, everybody have to dip. Some did, give me dip. Some dip. Run it up, dip. Every night club, me up on it up, dip. Tell us I'm sweet like honeycup, but if me dip in them up, every man and every girl I figure.
Shake. You very good book, pussy young a pay. So battle lo mga may, yo.